Hi, what's up my viewers and loyal subscribers? Well, it's been a while that I've not done any vlog, and due to numerous requests I'm gonna just do one right now. So today I'm be doing some rice and peas with some chicken as we have here. Links 007 TV presents its new and improved panoramic views around the world, showing you different places, different living, foods and attractions on an international platform. Pleasant viewing. Alright, so I'll be using my I don't know if you all know this peas. It's known as Jerusalem peas. This is the peas I'll be using today. They're very small, nice to use, give a rice a really good color. So I'm gonna wash these off now. I'm gonna be washing them, pouring off the water. I'll be pouring this into my pressure cooker we have here. So there we go. So I'll be putting some cold water on this now. I think that's enough. I'm going to be placing this on my stove here. Alright, so making sure that my pressure cooker cover is properly fitted. Make sure it's locked. Good. So this is all set and ready to go. I'll be giving it some fire now. So I'm gonna be giving it some flames now. So alright, so there we go. Flame is up and running. Alright, we're gonna be seasoning the chicken in the meantime now, so we're gonna go back over to the sink. So this is our chicken now, so we're gonna be cleaning this up and season it to be fried. So let's have a look on the outside. This is how the outside look. It's almost 11 o'clock right now. Basically, I'm making out the outside. Basically, how the outside look at this point in time. Alright, come back in. Alright, so we're gonna be seasoning our chicken now. So we have finished cleaning off some of the chicken, so this is how the chicken look now. Nice and ready to be fried. Now we're gonna be seasoning now after. So our chicken is now cleaned and ready to be seasoned. We're gonna be using all-purpose seasoning, Dunn's River all-purpose seasoning to season chicken. So we're gonna be adding some over it. So there, add some seasoning on it. We're going to be adding some onion as well. So we had gone ahead to dice some onions, which we're going to add to our chicken. So there we add our onions to our chicken. We are also going to be adding some thyme and scallion also to the mixture. So as I said earlier, we'll be adding some thyme to the mixture, also some scallion. So this is our mixture of thyme and scallion we'll be adding now to our chicken. Alright, so that's added to the mixture. Alright, so that's our thyme, so that's our chicken there now. We're gonna be mixing this together now in order for it to be marinated. So basically we have mixed the chicken with the seasoning, and this is what it looks like, really scrumptious already. As we had said before, our peas is still on the fire cooking, so when we return, I think the peas will be finished by then. Hey, welcome back again. We're about to check out peas right now. Ooh, as you can see, steamy. You can all see what's going on. That's our peas ready to go in our rice now. So we're gonna do that right now. So our peas has finished cooked. Now we're gonna look on what it looks like. That's basically what it looks like. It's a bit foggy. Alright, so we're gonna add our rice now to this peas. So this here will be our rice pot, and these are gonna be our ingredients to go in our rice. We have butter there, thyme, also scallion, and good coconut milk. Alright, so that's what will be added to our rice and peas right now inside this pot here. We're gonna be adding some salt now to our rice. Alright, there we go. Now we're also gonna be adding our seasoning to our rice. So in this we have our coconut milk, or rather I say coconut cream, and thyme, and also scallion. So we're gonna put that into our rice there, and allow that to simmer for a while. So here we have our oil getting ready to do our fried chicken. We also have our rice hot there to do our rice. So this is basically how our chicken looks before we go into fry it. Very nice and colorful, as you can see. So there we have begun to fry our chicken. You can see we're gonna put some more inside the frying pan. You can see getting that nice color that we are looking for already. But I'm putting some more to make use of the available space. So use a little bit of flour, as you can see, to prevent it from sticking in the pot. We have our rice around there being cooked. So we'll now be adding the butter to our rice and peas. You can see here now. That's basically how our rice and peas look. in there. We're gonna allow this rice to we're gonna allow this rice to simmer right now. So I'll be making my gravy now. I'll be adding this, which is some carrot, sweet pepper, to my frying pan. I'll be adding a little boiling water to that. So there we have our gravy simmering down, and also we can also have a look on how our rice is at this point in time. That's basically how our rice looks. Very nice. So right now we're going to be adding our sauce to our gravy. So that's basically our gravy now, and that's our chicken there. So gravy is finished, looking nice and scrumptious there. Very nice. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna give you the final image of how it looks in a plate. Well, this is basically the finished product of our rice and peas and fried chicken with gravy. Looks very scrumptious. I'm gonna be having some right now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's Links 007 TV, entertainment with a difference.